This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John Ryland. Opportunity of a lifetime for many. For others, an exciting opening to restore and preserve a Virginia architectural treasure. Laying claim to the dream, one can now acquire circa 1837 Oakenham as both home and legacy for loved ones. Oakenham also eagerly awaits discovery by seasoned or aspiring preservationist. Standing on 6.698 acres, amid magnolia, wisteria, camellia, crepe, myrtle, oak, and daffodils, overlooking acres of farmland and forest, and offered for only $268,000. Oakenham radiates the soul of centuries and offers a heart-filled future for generations. The practical buyer who wants to settle in soon can call the first 2 floors home within a few months. For the preservationist, the full rebirth of Oakenham, including its English basement, 11 fireplaces, grounds, small buildings, and fabulous barn, will prove an adventure of joy and satisfaction in serving Virginia posterity. $268,000 as is. No dry beast, please. For more information, review the details below.